Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to turn off the firewall in Windows 10. Sometimes you might need to disable the firewall temporarily for troubleshooting or testing purposes. Let me show you how to do it safely and step by step. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright. First, go to your Start menu and type here Control Panel. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to open the control panel. Now, in the control panel window, find and click on System and Security. After that, select Windows Defender Firewall from the options. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a menu. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here you will see two options, Private Network Settings and Public Network Settings. For each of these, select the option Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. A warning message may appear letting you know that turning off the firewall can make your device vulnerable. But don't worry, we can also turn this on later. Once you have selected these options, click OK to save the changes. And here you can see that a message indicating that the firewall is turned off. And that's how you can turn off the firewall in Windows 10. Remember, this should only be done temporarily and you should turn it back on once you are done troubleshooting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.